Hi everyone, it's Friday, June 28th, 8:41 p.m. and it's the day before the boot camp. Right now I'm doing the flute props. So it started with me cutting up the woods, Diane, Lonnie, and I gluing them together. Diane gluing the styrofoam, me and Lonnie cutting off the glue, the excess glue, me shaping it just right now with a hot, sharp tool. I forgot that this flute doesn't have any styrofoam. I'm gonna get a block of styrofoam and put it on and then shape it, and then I'm not gonna paint it today. As long as I have the shapes of the styrofoam done before boot camp, then I'm fine.
It is almost 10 o'clock and I'm on my way to get some scrubs, and then I'm gonna get going to Wausau. Hey guys! So we're going to Wausau. I don't know how far we are, but we're in the car. Sunny's here. Hi guys! Are you vlogging? Yeah. I miss Tsheej Haj. Hello everyone. We're at Wausau now. We took a big nap, bro. I'm so tired. We're kind of rusty right now. But we're at the hotel. We gotta put on our outfits so we could go practice.
After recording on Snapchat, but we're on our way to Wausau. Brought my tournament blanket. Me too. It is 4:28, almost 4:30, and practice is at 7.
We're on our way, and we're gonna do a little Scrubs and Beyond haul. I got these black scrub pants by this brand, Proflex. It's a short leg. We got a new shirt. It's got a little and my friend Galaxy lived there. My friend Jayla, pretty sure lives there. My house, it used to have flowers right there. Maybe I should knock on the door. We're at my old school. I went here from 1st grade to a bit of 4th grade. They changed it up a lot. What can I say? After I left, I just saw my grandparents. They were just at the wrong store. It was so funny. They're like, "What are you doing here?" Just dancing.
Hey guys, we're ready for rehearsal Friday. Got here and gotta get ready in like 15 minutes. So hopefully everything stays on.
Angel, you have to.
We're doing dress rehearsal. That's Ava, and then Eva is in there in the back, and then that's Lydia, and that's her mom. Bye-bye. We just finished practice, and me and Angel just got Culver's.
Yeah, we're gonna get food. I told the girls before everyone left that this is my last competition. I have back problems and I have to go to physical therapy, but I will be manager. Someone forgot the phone. Oh, yep, you see that? Hello?
Who's Maddie?
Oh, no,
That's fine. Is this Lydia?
no.
This is Lydia.
No, it's not.
Right?
Who is this?
This is Madison.
I don't know who you are.
Hello?
No.
Hello? Hi.
Hi. Hello.
Can I get orange chicken?
Yes, you can have some orange chicken.
Okay, I'll put that.
Okay, would you like some fries with that?
No.
Okay.
Bye.
What Panda Express? Yeah, what Panda Express?
It's okay. Hey guys, we got our food.
I got chow mein and orange chicken.
I got orange chicken and rice.
I got orange chicken and rice.
I got the same as Alex.
The bathroom smells so bad. Me and Maddie went in there and we were gagging like crazy. We were So we just got to the hotel. And then we're gonna change and we're gonna go swimming. Look at the setup. This is me, Maddie, and then Anna and Angel. Sydney's gonna sleep on the floor.
It is 10:04. We're supposed to go to bed at 10, but that didn't happen. Eva's with me. She's taking a shower, and we're gonna eat Culver's. Let's do a little practice recap. I think it went good. Our outfits are so pretty. Why am I recording?
We just got done swimming. It is currently 10:59 and it closes at 11. We got out at the perfect time. I know.
It's 11:22. Finished showering and other stuff.
Look at these snacks. Can I open these? Bro. That's bomb. These are.
Yeah, you never had the thin
These are good.
Sophia's outfit just came in today, so we're working on it.
Guys, so we're last minute doing our outfits, among outfits. I'm putting my bra strap in.
Yeah, and it's currently 12. Okay guys, it is currently 5:48 and me and Maddie are doing our makeup. She's on her eyeshadow and I just got to do my brows because my brows take so long to do. This is Cindy, she's sleeping. This is Anna, she's dead asleep. Anna said she didn't want to wake up until 6.
Hi guys, everyone is getting ready in their rooms, and me and Eva are in the event room. It's 6 in the morning, by the way.
Hi guys, we're back. It is 7:30. Most of the girls got their makeup done.
Hey guys, so we just got done with our makeup, and then our hair is still a work in progress. Now we're gonna go quickly get food, and then we're gonna come back up, finish doing our hair a little bit, and then go to the meeting room where everybody is. Guys, my makeup looks good, by the way. Me too. There it is. We are ready. We're done with practice, and now we are on our way to Wausau. Everyone's saying that there's a long line. Here's our fit. Day 1, Mom.
We're on our way to Wausau. Okay, see you guys soon.
We're getting gas right now, and I have to redo my hat because it keeps coming up. Oh, I look like an egg.
This is me and Angel. We found parking somewhere. Oh, you can see my sweat. We're finally at the gate.
Okay guys, so we just got checked in and now we'll walk into the tournament. Look through Cindy's bag like so thoroughly. They took away her pepper spray. I feel like excited and I'm kind of nervous. But yeah, I'm excited. How do you feel, Maddie?
I'm so excited. My nervous is all gone.
Good.
I feel really excited. Ever since I came here, I was kind of scared, but I'm doing good.
Update on the cooler. Maddie and Alexis are carrying it.
It is 12:13. We're gonna take pictures.
Did you guys take pictures already?
Yeah.
Aw, he's so cute.
We will take money from here.
Yeah. So what are your thoughts today?
I feel like it's fine. I'm not as nervous as last year.
Huh? Even more. Where you going, baby girl?
I'm back to the tent so I can go lay down. How am I feeling about the dance? Back up. I'm feeling good. It's just a little tiring, but it's not as bad as last year. Emily, show 'em?
Ooh, so actually, I'm more excited about our dance tomorrow than today.
Say what? Just took team photos,
Yeah, we did.
so we're taking some individual.
We are waiting to go on stage.
It is 1 something. All the girls are in here. It's hot, bro. When you zoom. Dance is about to start. I'm so tired.
Dance competition is starting. It is 2:10. It was supposed to start at 1:30. Yeah. There's Blazing and there's me marching. Everybody is getting a little scared right now, but it's okay. They're doing the sesame before the Hmong dance trend.
Finished. We're gonna go head to the hotel. How do you feel?
That sucked.
Tomorrow, trust.
Yeah.
We are here waiting until the round is done so we can leave, so we can check out. Lydia's tan. Buzz is not. We can finally head home. Oh no, to the hotel.
I'm on my way to the hotel and we have to ride the city bus. So all squished in here. Very, very packed. Yeah. And I'm standing right by the door, so it better not open.
Us after day 1. How do you think we did today?
Technique-wise, good-ish, but overall pretty bad.
Spacing was so bad, but I think we did okay. How do you guys think we did?
I think. Oh, go ahead. I think we did fine. Oh my gosh, I look naked.
I think we're more excited for Lao. We had to push our practice back because they held us hostage. Anyway, Lao coming up.
Me and Maddie are back in the hotel. We just finished competing at Wausau. I think we did pretty good, but we did okay at the same time.
Oh, we could have done better. We did okay. We were in sync. Affirmations were not giving.
Time for our second dance.
We're on our way to practice.
So I'm here first, surprisingly, and it's already past 6. So where's everybody? Currently, trying to use the bathroom. Scary place. What? Are you vlogging? I am vlogging. I was like, so I'm gonna go to the bathroom.
We just got done with practice. We're gonna go eat. And I'm super excited for tomorrow. I'm excited to show off our loud dance. I think we'll do good if we focus on spacing and actually use the stage.
Hey guys, we are at Ntxhais.
So we're at dinner.
Guys, it's day 2. It's 5 in the morning and my mom's doing my hair. We're doing bangs for Lao. I look like an alien.
Hey guys, I'm done doing my skincare and I'm gonna do my makeup, but I'm gonna do that off camera because I'm gonna be listening to music on my phone. But yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. Yeah, it's day 2 of Wausau and everybody is getting their hair done. But it's 7 and we got 30 minutes to finish our hair because we have practice at 7:30. We're in our Lao outfit. I have to fix my sash. We are going to the volleyball course right now. How do you feel?
I feel excited to show this dance, but I feel like we need to work on it, but it's okay, we got it!
I also feel excited. I'm actually more excited than yesterday. I'm not that nervous. Hopefully our spacing is good. Hey guys, we're finishing touch-ups. What are we gonna do? Take pictures? And then practice? Dances at 12.
Yeah, I need to fix it.
We go 10. Okay, how do you feel?
I'm excited.
How do you feel?
I'm excited.
How do you feel?
I feel fine.
How do you feel?
I feel good.
How do you feel?
I feel tired. My head hurts, but I'm excited for the day to end.
How do you feel?
Oh, nervous.
Nancy is talking with, I think that's her grandma.
Her grandma's so cute.
I hope that she feels excited and good. Maybe her head hurts. But yeah, bye guys. Nancy, how do you feel?
I feel good. I feel better about Lao than Hmong.
But we're waiting. Minnesota Sunshine is going on right now. Oh, that's Nancy. The other girls went to go watch. But we're just waiting.
We finished dance like a few hours ago, and now we're in here. And results are about to start in a while, in a bit. So, okay, see you guys later.
把我到铁杯，我拢未付我。在健康。
We got their play. Look at these flowers. We did so good. First competition, we got third. We all cried. So we went against a lot of good teams. Yeah. But I'm so happy. I know. Time for Labor Day. Bye. See ya Labor Day.